Díomh is Mrs. Siobhan. Hi, I'm Siobhan from Bite Size Irish Gaelic, and today let's learn how to say right in Irish. The word right has different meanings in English. It happens that Irish has different words for those different meanings. Right, as in a position, that is the opposite of left, is yesh. Yesh. Right. Repeat after me. Yesh. An example would be Koss yesh. Turn right. Koss yesh. Turn right. Koss yesh. Right meaning correct, the opposite of wrong, is kyart. Kyart. Right. Kyart. An example would be Tá an ceart agat. Tá an ceart agat. You're right. Tá an ceart agat. Want to improve your Irish? Why not take a free trial of Bite Size Irish Gaelic at www.bitesize.irish.